Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is July 25th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Moelis Company, a leading global independent investment bank. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Moelis Company has just released their second quarter and first half 2025 financial results, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue growth to strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Moelis Company reported a revenue of $365.4 million for the second quarter of 2025, marking a 38% increase from the previous year. John, what are the key drivers behind this impressive growth?
Absolutely. The significant revenue growth is primarily driven by an increase in average fees earned per completed transaction, with notable strength in M&A and capital markets. This indicates a robust deal environment and effective execution of their strategic initiatives.
And how did they perform in terms of earnings per share?
Moelis reported an adjusted EPS of 53 cents for the second quarter, which is a substantial beat against the forecasted EPS of 31 cents by 4 analysts. This reflects strong operational performance and effective cost management.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Moving on to operational efficiencies, Moelis has reported an adjusted pre-tax margin of 17.6% for the second quarter. How does this compare to their past performance?
This is a significant improvement from the 8.3% margin in the prior year period. The increase is largely due to higher revenues and controlled operating expenses, showcasing their ability to scale efficiently.
What about their financial position and shareholder returns?
Moelis maintains a strong balance sheet with $474.9 million in cash and short-term investments, and importantly, no debt or goodwill. They've also declared a quarterly dividend of 65 cents per share, reflecting their commitment to returning value to shareholders.
Strategic initiatives and leadership insights. John, let's talk about Moelis's strategic initiatives. They've added several new managing directors. How does this align with their growth strategy?
Indeed, Moelis has expanded their team with 3 private capital advisory, 1 technology, and 1 business services managing director. This expansion enhances their expertise and positions them well to capitalize on a favorable deal environment, as highlighted by CEO Ken Moelis.
Speaking of leadership, what insights did Ken Moelis provide regarding their future outlook?
Ken Moelis emphasized the strength of their integrated global platform and the trust clients place in them. He expressed optimism about entering the second half of the year with a more favorable deal environment and expanded expertise.
Key takeaways. In summary, Moelis Company has delivered a strong performance in the second quarter of 2025, with impressive revenue growth and a significant beat on EPS expectations. Their strategic hires and strong balance sheet position them well for future growth. John, any final thoughts?
Moelis is clearly executing well on their growth strategy, and their financial health is robust. Investors should keep an eye on their ability to sustain this momentum in the coming quarters.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Moelis Company's performance in the comments below.